OnePlus released Android 11 beta for the public in the form of OxygenOS 11, Open Beta 1 for OnePlus 7, OnePlus 7 Pro, OnePlus 7T, and OnePlus 7T Pro. All the new features OxygenOS 11 based on Android 11 brings to the users. Fresh new UI visual design brings you a more comfortable experience with various optimization of details. New ambient display, dark mode, new icons and UI, new gallery app, new self interface, HEVC codec support, etc. Please bear in mind that this is beta software and as such may be less stable than stable official version builds. We highly recommend you make a full system backup before proceeding. Please make sure the battery level is above 30% and a minimum of 3 GB of available storage space. Open beta version build can be installed on the current stable build. Later, if you roll back the build, you will return to the previous OxygenOS 11 based open beta build. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe now my channel for latest update. Like, comment and share now.